This is the startup checking video of the second machine of Daraz order by Mr. Fazal Khan. This is the shipping label. 20th April 2024. This machine is also okay from all the sides. There are no damages. We will show you from the back also. Show you from the bottom also. This is the bottom. There are no damages. Every corner is okay, and now we will start the machine. The machine has started. The plastic blade is installed inside. There is a metal blade too, a measuring flask, and the warranty booklet by the company. This is AE900A 3.5 kg max capacity model. After checking, we then pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom for safety, a thermopore at the top, and then we pack it in this brown sheet. Finally, cover it up with this bubble wrap and then paste the fragile stickers on the carton so that it is safely transported to the customer's address. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped and it is absolutely okay, and now we will pack it for Daraz. The customer should read the instructions mentioned in the warranty booklet before using it for the first time, and wash the stainless steel bowl every time before using. The bowl can be easily taken out from the machine. Agile stickers will be pasted so that the courier companies do not mishandle it. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.